Hey guys, welcome to German Club with Suraj. Today we will do a special thing. Do you know? You don't know? I will tell. We will do months, weekends, and birthday song in German. So let's get started with month's name. You can see on the screen that here is English month's name and here is German month's name. So let's get started with January. January is Januar in German. February is Februar. Okay? March is Mars in German. April is April in German. You can see that some of the spellings are same in German language also. Okay guys, so it is easy to learn the spellings and I will tell that please learn spellings. April is April in German. May is Mai in German. Okay guys, we will say Mai only. If you will pronounce wrong, you will write wrong. So you have to pronounce right only. June is Juni in German and July is Juli. August is August in German. You can see now that April April spelling is same, August spelling is same, September spelling is same, and November spelling is also same. So you don't have to learn these spellings because you have learned. September is September in German. October is October. You can see there is a fact. This C changes into K. So this spelling is also easy. November is November in German. Same spelling. You don't have to learn these spellings. You have to learn January spelling, February, March, May, June, July. October is easy and December. Okay, but December is December. We will say December. If you will say December only, your spelling would be wrong and your pronunciation is also wrong. We will say December. Okay, guys. Now we will do weekdays. Monday is Montag, Tuesday is Dienstag, and Wednesday is Mittwoch. Then we will come on Thursday. First, we will revise from January to Wednesday. Okay, guys? January is Januar, February is Februar, March is Mars in German, April is April, May is Mai in German. June is Juni. July is July. August is August. September is September only. See guys that it is very easy, okay? Only thing that you have to learn with heart. October is October in German. November is November. December is December. Now we will do weekdays. Monday is Montag, Tuesday is Dienstag, Wednesday is Mittwoch. Now we will go further. Thursday is Donnerstag, Friday is Freitag, Saturday is Samstag and comes on Sunday. Sunday is Sonntag. It is very easy guys. I know you learned in 2 to 3 minutes. One important thing is that month's word is known as Monat in German and weekdays is known as Wochentag in German. So you have to remember this, okay guys? Now we will learn birthday song in German. First I will sing, then you will sing. Zum Geburtstag viel Glück, zum Geburtstag viel Glück, zum Geburtstag liebe Paula, zum Geburtstag viel Glück. It is very easy now guys, but something difficult that you don't know the meaning of zum Geburtstag viel Glück. So I had written, okay, zum Geburtstag is happy birthday and viel Glück is to you. You can see that I had written Liebe Paula. Liebe is used for girls and Lieber is used for boys. So you have to remember that when we will put Liebe and when we will put Lieber. So let's revise from the top. January is January, February is February, March is March, April is April, May is Mai, June is June, July is July, August is August, September is September, October is October, November is November, December is December. Weekdays, Monday is Montag, Tuesday is Dienstag, Wednesday is Mittwoch, Thursday is Donnerstag, Friday is Freitag, Saturday is Samstag and Sunday is Sonntag. Months is Monat in German. Weekdays is Wochentag in German. And now comes my favorite birthday song in German. Zum Geburtstag viel Glück, zum Geburtstag viel Glück, zum Geburtstag liebe Paula, zum Geburtstag viel Glück. Zum Geburtstag is happy birthday. Viel Glück is to you. Liebe is girl and Lieber is boy. Auf Wiedersehen means bye bye. I will meet in my next video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like the video and please comment. My next video will come on 2 September.